So this is from a spalted maple log, and there are two pieces. This is the third one back here. But I'm wondering what I can make out of this. Some ideas I had because it's book matched. In other words, there's the book, there's the match. These mirror each other. I thought maybe door fronts for a small cabinet, possibly. I'd have to square all the ends off, but that's doable. Even here and here are pretty close. If you have any ideas, let me know. I'm curious as to what you think I could make out of these book-matched pieces. By the way, they were milled from the other half of this piece. I don't know if that helps visualize it at all.